Yeah, hi. I'm going to show you how to play the A-7th chord on your piano or keyboard. Let's locate the root note, the note A. Play this with your first finger. Next note we'll need is C. Play this with your second finger. Next note we'll need is the note E. Play this with your third finger. The last note we'll need is this one, the 7th. Play this with your fifth finger. So there you have it, the A-7th chord. Now, because the A-7th chord is in fact a 4-note chord, you can also have what's known as 4 inversions of the chord. Let's have a look. This inversion is called the root inversion or root note inversion because you have the root note at the bottom. Okay? Now, to make an inversion, simply move the bottom note of the chord, the note A, all the way to the top. Move your hand, look at the fingers. Now this inversion is called the first inversion of the A-7th chord. To make another inversion, again move the bottom note, this time C, all the way to the top. Move your hand. This is called the A-7th second inversion. Let's do one more inversion. Again, bottom note, E to the top. Move your hand. This is called the A-7th chord third inversion. Now you'll notice if we do one more inversion, moving the bottom note G all the way to the top, we will in fact be back at the root inversion of the chord, just like the one we started with, only one octave higher. Okay? And of course we can go the other way, downwards on the piano, starting with the root inversion. This time move the top note to the bottom of the chord, move your hand, like this. This is the A-7th third inversion. And again move top note to the bottom, move your hand. This is called the second inversion. And again top note to the bottom. This is the A-7th first inversion. And finally top note A to the bottom, and you're back at the root inversion of the chord. Now let me do this one more time. Root, first inversion, second inversion, third inversion, and back to root inversion. And now the other way, starting with root inversion, top note to the bottom, third inversion, top note to the bottom, second inversion, top note to the bottom, first inversion, top note to the bottom. You're back at root inversion, right? Okay. Now finally I'm going to show you another way of playing inversions of this chord. Now use your left hand to play the root note. Like this. You have to use the same notes up here, but you can change the fingers, making it a bit easier. First finger, third finger, fifth finger, right? Now this time I'm only going to invert the top 3 notes of the chord. Okay? I'm not going to name these inversions because now I in fact only have 3 inversions because I only have 3 notes in this hand. I won't change this note at any point. So this is still kind of the root inversion, right? But now look, I'm going to invert this top of the chord only, moving the bottom note C to the top. And I'll move my hand. But still I'll play the root note with my left hand. So you get this sound. To make another inversion, again move the bottom note of the chord to the top. And still play the root note in the left hand. You get this sound. Okay, and we can do one more inversion, moving this one to the top. And this will be kind of the root inversion again, right? You can see this note is the same as this note. And to go downwards, same principle as before. The root inversion, top note to the bottom. like this, and again top note to the bottom, like this, and the last inversion using only 3 notes. Okay, so to practice this inversion, simply play like this. And the other way. And you can use arpeggios for practice. Now the reason we use inversions is to make your music more fluent, so you don't have to move your hand too much around the piano. Let me just play for you the A minor chord, the A minor 7th chord, right, and moving to the D minor 7th in an inversion, and moving on to an E7, and going back home to an A minor 7th in a new inversion, like this. It can sound somewhat like this. So there you have it, the A minor 7th chord. Before you go, please like this video if you like this lesson. I'm sure you did. And subscribe to this channel. Help me out, guys. So do it now. Thank you. See you around.
So I hope you enjoyed this free piano lesson. If you want more free piano chord stuff, how about a free piano chord chart? Or a free chord inversion crash course, or a free chord symbols chart? Simply go to pianochordcharts.net and download your free stuff. Click the link below and I'll see you over there. Please like this video to keep our videos free for future visitors. Thank you.